Stay close, kids.
Okay, Mom. Wow. Wow. Mom? Mom? Huh? Mom, where's Mia?
What? Stay with me, Leo. We'll find Mia.
Mia! Mia! She's not here.
Let's keep looking.
Leo? Mom?
My daughter is missing.
I thought it was Mia. Excuse me. I can't find my mom.
Mia,
Huh?
if you can hear Mommy,
Huh?
please come to the information desk.
We are waiting for you. I hope Mia heard us.
She knows we're looking for her.
I'm coming, Mom. I've got you.
Mia!
Dad!
Always stay together.
I'll watch out for Mia. I'll stay close. Pip is so funny.
He made us smile again. That was very kind.
Silly Pip. He's so funny. I'll stay close next time. I'll always stay with you.
That's my wonderful team.
Thanks for watching. See you in our next adventure.